it's me, Tina Marie, true meaning of radiance. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video, unbagging for a bag. I got this bag from Bolzano. I did a video with them before, and this time I actually got the Bolzano Luxe. So I am so excited to show you guys what came in this month's Bolzano for me. Bolzano is a subscription. If you didn't know, the subscription is only $43.95 for the Luxe, and the Luxe comes with a bag, plus you get an accessory. It's always an exciting surprise of what you get because you kind of don't know what's in it. Like, I haven't opened mine yet because I wanted to open it with you guys so we could be surprised together. So that's why I didn't open it yet, but I'm ready. I am super ready to open this up to see what I got this month. So if you guys want to see what bag I got, stay tuned. So it comes in this nice carrier. Again, it's only $43.95 for the Luxe. So this is the Luxe subscription. Oh my goodness, what is my purse this time? I love purses, y'all. I tell you, every time I'm at the TJ Maxx, I love purses. Ooh, this one is cute. Look at this purse. It is super cute. This is going to be nice to take to the pool when we're going out to the pool, because the pool of course is here on, you know, the property. So this is going to be really nice to take to the pool for the kids. Oh my gosh, it comes with so much in here, like, y'all, so many goodies that I'm going to show you. But yeah, I like this bag right here. This is going to be nice to throw some towels in, put some sunscreens in it, and go over to the pool. This is really pretty. Or let's just say you're going out on a quick luncheon, you could wear this. This is just really cute. I like this. So this is this month's bag. Look at her. She's super cute. And of course, they don't just in the bag with the Luxe. You do get some accessories as well. So I did get a bracelet and some earrings. Look at those. Again, this is from Bolzano. Everything is so nicely packaged. I really do love that about them. They even sent over, I guess this is some type of, I think it's a chain. Let me open it. I like this heart box. Y'all, these long nails, I'm trying to figure out how to live with long nails again, because I stopped doing long nails because the car seat the kids were in, but now with their new car seat, I don't need to worry about the length of my nails. So I'm like, okay, I'm trying to get the long nails again, and now I don't know how to live with long nails again. So I need to start carrying something to help me open stuff so I can have long nails again. But I promise y'all, I'm gonna get this open. The other jewelry piece that came, this is really cute. I'm gonna go ahead and give this to Grace. It's really pretty. So Grace would like that. It did come with something else inside. What is this? It's like another container to a container, and it's more in here. I'm like, what's in here? Okay, the purse extender strap. So this is the purse extender strap, so you can make the purse longer. I told you to be good. It look like a belt, don't it? I told you. Who remember getting whooped with the belt and the extension cord? I told you. Okay, and then they get you while they doing, I told you. Okay, y'all act all like y'all parents ain't get you, but anyway. This is what the extender goes in. It goes inside of here, so that's really nice. Let me see what else I got. It does come with one more item, y'all. This is like Christmas. This is why I like subscription boxes, because it feels like Christmas, because it's always something different that you'll get each time, and you don't know what's coming until it comes. So it's cool. And again, it's $43.95. All the information is below for the Luxe. What is this? Y'all, I'm really looking in here like, what is this? Oh, wow. They have like some makeup stuff that comes with the Luxe. What is this? Hold on. Let me hurry up and open this. I'm trying to be cute for the video, but I'm trying to open this. Oh, it's L'Oreal in here. Y'all, serious though? Bolzano, really? Wow, look, y'all, it's L'Oreal products in here. This is the L'Oreal Revitalift Anti-Wrinkle and Firming included for that $43.95, and this is an actual size. It's not a sample. You get 2 lippies. These are just from Desi. They're Desi lustrous lip glosses. So you got 2 of those as well. And there's one more makeup item in here, Aurora by Swarovski, and it's a perfume. It looks like that. So let me open the perfume because I want to smell the perfume. This is a lot of stuff you get for $43.95. That is an amazing deal. Oh, the perfume's cute. Look at that. It's cute. It's like this. You open it. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, Tina, don't be wasting it. It smells so good. Oh. Yeah, I like this. This smells really, really good. Again, this one is, what is it called? Aurora by Swarovski. And this smells really, really good. It's 5 milliliters, so 0.17 fluid ounces. So you'll get all this for $43.95. Let me show you again. The purse with the extender of perfume. I got the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Anti-Wrinkle and Firming. I got 2 of the lippies. Y'all, I got earrings and a bracelet. And I got a necklace for Gracie Poo. Oh my goodness, all that for $43.95. That's a great deal. So definitely make sure you're checking out Bolzano. I'll leave all the information below, and I cannot wait to try out my new purse and take it to the pool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like unboxings, unbaggings, definitely let me know in the comments below. I'll keep them coming, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.